Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here to take you to the Seafood and Music Festival here in Englewood, Florida. It's not a huge festival. It's a little small, but it's not real all that crowded. They got a live band at the other end. They'll probably have 3 or 4 different bands today, I know. It'll last like 4 days, and I'm going to take you through it and show you what we see. Show you some of the things we like and some things we don't like. If you like videos like this, be sure to check out our playlist, which is travel to places you've been to and not been to, something like that. I forget what it's called. But anyway, we're going to take a walk through here and show you what they got. Maybe show you some prices of some of these things that they're going for. I'll do some comparisons because I've been to some other places. But welcome and come join us as you've just entered the Coolest Life, Shrimp Seafood Edition. Down here at this end, this is the very end of it here. They've got sweet corn and pineapple drinks that you can drink out of a real pineapple. See them right there? And also something I'm gonna get on the way out, which is a deep fried Oreo. Yes, that's right, deep fat fried Oreo. I think they're $5 for 2, something like that. I won't have one of those. They'll probably give me some shrimp over here. We actually purposely came here hungry because we wanted to eat some stuff. One thing I saw over here, which was interesting. Man, is she loud or what? So this one here, they've actually got a lobster roll. Last time I tried to get a lobster roll, I was in, we were in Boston, and I was trying to get a lobster roll at the city market there in downtown Boston, and it was $40 for one lobster roll, no sides, no drink, $40 for lobster roll. This one here, they're $15. So I may just get one of these. My wife said she wanted to go to the zoo and see some giraffes, so I took her to this place. There's parts of it's crowded like a zoo. And then, of course, we had to find some giraffes. Mission accomplished. What in the world is this? Check it out. Is that a squid? Shrimp, clams. Yeah, that's what put it all in the same. That's a big old pot too. Look at the size of that thing. So here's got a little more. It looks like a little bitty saucepan, but you can see how big it is compared to that guy. This thing is massive. This is a little more sausage and stuff in it. Actually, that looks like lamb. You put in a gyro. Uh-oh. I don't think I'm eating that one. Some kind of squid in it. Wow. This is right out here on the main drag too. You can see right here near everybody. Kind of cool setup. We got the fish. Talk about just getting them off the line and throwing them on the grill, huh? So yeah, we got the lobster rolls. We each got one, $15 a pop. Not too big, they're about 6 inches long, but got the live music still going on. Dang it, I should have brought my big hat. Oh well, maybe next time. It's in the car, maybe I should go get it. So you're looking for some deep fat fried Oreos. Hope doesn't want to get one. I won't get one right now too. This is Katie, she's the owner. Hey!
It's Brian's Oreos.
So how long did you go to school for this?
I got my bachelor's in Oreo frying, actually.
You got a bachelor's in Oreo frying from the University of Robo. Right. Okay, nice. She'll bring us some refreshment right here. You got a whole lot of stuff. Hot Oreos and powdered sugar. Next Oreo lemonade. Freshly squeezed. And I just gotta find my wife after I get this Oreo. So I got these Oreos here, and I got this little drink here to wash it down with. So we're gonna give this a try. This is one of them here. They're a little, look like maybe a little bit undercooked, just maybe a smidge, but I don't know. We'll give them a try. It's probably gonna burn me right now. It was actually kind of hot to hold. Yep. Too hot. Let me get back with you. So it's actually an Oreo inside of here, and it's covered in heavenly goodness. And then they put a butter sauce on top of it, and then they put powdered sugar on top of it. Man, it's just too hot to hold though. Nothing like good powdered sugar. It makes everything better. Almost like cheese on other food, right? All right, let's try this again. Melted inside. It's actually this may be my first deep fried Oreo. Heard a lot about them. They're good. When I go to the park in Georgia, which I'll put up right there. Yeah, right there. They sell stuff like this. A lot of this is spare food. Oh yeah, throw it on the floor. It's horrible. No, it's really good. I should try these. Deep fried Oreo, classic fair food. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'll take it right around the park to burn it off. Woo. Maybe 2 rides around the park. I didn't know I was gonna get so many. Cool. $8. This is the bar area here. Big tent. Nice bar. Yeah, I'm still munching on those. You can hear the music fine in here. It's just a good place to get out of the sun. Well, it was fun. It's not a huge festival, but it was fun. You know, it's always good to get out of the RV or house or whatever and do some traveling and go to little festivals that only happen once every so often. That one reminded me of the one back in, I don't know what city that was we were in. Maybe it's Northport. Had something like that. It was in a plaza like that with arts and crafts and stuff around it, and a live band. But of course, right now I'm going to let you go because I am here where all festivals end. Yeah. So we're grabbing some knickknacks and stuff. I'm going to take them back to the RV. But be sure to like and subscribe, like these videos. Be sure to tell your friends, and be sure to check out the playlist of the traveling to familiar, not so familiar places. Because I'm going to let you go. Because you are now leaving the coolest life.